Check it out, guys. Rozzy Grove in the building. This is today's work. Check it out. We're up in the air. We're like 40 feet right now, and we got room to go. You see them little things in the poles? Those are a bunch of different levels to this. But yeah, that's what we did today. This was today's work. We out here, helium mining, making this passive income one day at a time. You know what I mean? So today's work, you'll see your results tomorrow. And that's how it works. That's how it be. That's today's work, guys. Stay tuned for more helium content. Like and subscribe. Rozzy Grove. So how long did it take you to build this?
About half an hour.
Half hour? All right. Cool.
And without help, it can be more easy, more faster.
Yeah, so if we had more people, we could have done it even quicker.
Quicker, yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's the power of unity.
Clean setup right there. And then we can go even higher.
Okay.
So can go right there more on a post, like more 15 more feet, 15, 20 more feet.
All right.
So for now, right there is like 40 feet. So
we're ready to go.